Hi everyone, Nancy Ann here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing what will be a 2-day experiment for me, but one video experiment for you of 2 different brow defining products by iMethod. Full Fluffy Brows and Clear Brow Gel. Today, I am going to start the process of trying 2 different brow products by iMethod. I usually use, and you've seen me use in a couple of past videos, a Clear Brow Gel by NYX, which usually works pretty well, but if I get too much product, it can get flaky. And I saw that iMethod made a Clear Brow Gel, and so I was thinking I would like to do a demo for them, but I was a little timid about asking them if they'd send me a product. And Linda at Mature Sass, and I will try to remember to link her YouTube channel down below, encouraged me to write them. She said, I'll bet they would love for you to do a product demonstration. And when I wrote them, not only were they happy to send me the Clear Brow Gel, but they said, we will also send you the brow, I think it's like a wax, full fluffy brows, and you can compare them. So since I am recording today, I went ahead and I did a full face of makeup, except for my brow gel, which I do every time I do makeup, and most days even if I'm not doing makeup. And I thought I would do that with you here now, and then tomorrow I will record another video, or I'll extend this with the full fluffy brows, because I want my brows to be even for my recording. Okay, I'm gonna look down because my viewfinder is right there while I do this, but take a good look at how my face looks before this is done. I used to, back in the day, when Merle Norman, you did the full makeup makeovers, I worked for them in several different locations, and I always told people with their brow gel, it just gives your makeup a more well-groomed look, and I still believe that. So let me read what the outside of the product says to you here. On the side, it says, feathered looking brows, instant brow styler. And then it has directions on the other side panel. And it's very simple. You just pull it out and brush it on. And then it has the ingredients are on the back. I love a brow gel. The brow wax tomorrow will be a learning experience we'll do together, but today I think I'm going to get this done pretty quickly. So let me open it up here. There's what it looks like on the inside. Oh, pretty kind of a pinkish colored, colored container there. Just going to twist it open. This should have a little brush in here. Ah, yes. And it's just a clear brow gel. I'm going to look down, but let's see the difference in my brows. So I brush them up first. And then I kind of tame the ends like this. It's a little bit more difficult to do on camera than in the mirror. I'm going to get a little more product on here. And maybe that's my thing. And I'm going to see by the end of the day if this flakes at all. Oh, I normally would be much faster with this. The camera is kind of goofing me up, but you can tell already, I think, a difference between this brow and that one. Let me go in for another dip. Not feeling a lot of product on this. What is going on with that? Aha, there we go. I think because this is the first time I've used it. There we go. So there we are. What do you think? So that is the Clear Brow Gel. At the end of the day, I'll see what I think of it. I'll probably report that back to you tomorrow when we try the brow wax. See you in just a second. I am back the next day. I'm going to do some more filming today, so it's another full face of makeup, including foundation. Not liking this new foundation so much, but that's not why we're here. I do have the iMethod, same brand, He Blushed Stick on. I love this. I did a demo, a couple of them, with one color that didn't show up so good, and then they sent me this one. This is the number 3. I think this is Rose Blush. I love this. It's on my cheeks and on my eyes. So That's another great iMethod product. So now today we have got the full fluffy brows to try. My brows do not have makeup. The rest of me does, but my brows do not. It is a dismal day out there. I am so glad for this ring light today. So it's a brow styling wax. And it's got their customer service stuff and how you can find them different places, Instagram and things on one side, and on the back is the instructions. And so I read them briefly before started the video, and they're saying you need to start out with clean brows, press the product into it, and a little bit goes a very long way. We're going to see how this goes because I've never used anything like this before. Also, you want to make sure and cap this really tight. I guess it can make the product dry out and it won't work so well. Okay, so here we go. We're going to pull it out of the package here. I can see a couple of the little bent applicators right there. So I'm only going to need one of those. And their little thing holding stuff in place. And right here, I'll put that down, we have the actual product itself. And it says full fluffy brows. So brow styling wax, it says on the back. Okay, here you go. You ready? Little nervous. Is it liquidy? What? Okay, so there's a little cap that helps seal it to keep it nice and dry. I've got a chair down here. I have to bend down. I'm sorry. Okay. And now I'm gonna put this in. Oh, it actually is a wax. So they said a little goes a long way. So I won't do too much. I just barely put it in there. And now I've got to look down to look at my camera, but here we go. So this is what my brow looks like before. Oh yeah, that's really thick. And then you kind of press it in. I will say that the clear gel yesterday held my brows all day and there was no flaking at the end of the day. So I like that one. This, I definitely feel it more on my brows. And I guess it's supposed to make your brows look fuller. I was a little shy about this one because I have pretty full brows. I honestly probably pluck away half of my brows. I have a unibrow. So I was like, I don't know if I need fuller. I like a full brow. I just think they're doing that all by themselves. Okay. Well, it's feeling kind of dry. So it dries very quickly. So I understand why they say put the lid on already. So now what I'm interested to know is if this is going to hold all day. I'm pretty sure it will. It just feels really substantial. But look, it's not adding any color or anything. Just trying to push those ends down. Okay, that needs to push down a little bit right there. Does that look like it's, that one little spot, doesn't that make you crazy when it looks like one's coming out? And also my brows will grow really, really long. So I have to trim them every week or so. Is that brow sticking up there? Yep, there we go. You took the finger. I'm going to seal this up real quick so that it does not dry out because I like the product and I want to keep it. So, oh geez, I just dug that down in there. So be careful when you put the clear lid on that you don't dig it down into the product. So, put the other one, the lid on. There's the full fluffy brows. I think here's the thing I'm kind of not liking. That little applicator wand, there isn't a place to stick it. There's no place to keep it. So I think I'm going to have to keep the box and store the whole thing in that box, which is a little bit inconvenient. I wish they had a sheath or something that would wrap up the product and the applicators together. So, although I would imagine you could probably use just a clean spoolie to do the same thing. So here's this. And then we had yesterday, and I'll see if I can get my husband to find a still and maybe put it next to me so we can take a look and decide what we think of the two products. I'm guessing the look is kind of even. You know what I was noticing watching yesterday, the film? This eyebrow is higher than that eyebrow. I don't know. Can Can I adjust that with the, can I help it out? Bring it up at the corners? It's like, please, even out. Okay, that helped a little bit. But yeah, one eyebrow's higher than the other one. So I know none of us have even faces, but that's weird. So 2 different products, full fluffy brows and clear brow gel. Quick interruption to the video with some prices. The brow gel is $13.97 and the full fluffy brows wax is regular $20.97, and it's on sale right now as I record for $12.97. But for either one of those, you can enter in the code Nancy Ann, all lowercase, and save 15% off of your purchase. I will have the links to both of these as well as the iMethod store down below, and also my final thoughts. Okay, let's finish up with the video. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think. Did you see a difference, and what do you think of this? I love the iMethod products. I really like demonstrating them. And thank you very much for watching. If you have just a second and could hit that like button for me, that helps a bunch. Comment down below. Love, love, love communicating, hearing what you guys think. And if you would like to subscribe, if you like all sorts of different unboxings, please do. Would love, absolutely love to have you. I'm gonna go before I trip over more words, plus Ruger's snoring. And that's always my signal. It's time to end them. Bye-bye, and be blessed. So here's this, and then we had yesterday, and I'll see if I can get my husband to find a still and maybe put it next to me so we can take a look and decide what we think of the 2 products. I'm guessing the look is kind of even.